Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to answer you some basic question about Termux. Let's start. Here is your question and my answer. What is Termux? Termux is an Android terminal emulator application which is used for hacking in Android, which has ability hack any type of system or web. What is use of it? Termux used for penetration testing, information gathering, hacking web and Android devices. As you know, we can hack website from it. Is any programming language needed to run it? No needed any programming language, but if you know about programming language, that's better. Can we hack Wi-Fi from Termux? Yes, we can hack any Wi-Fi using Termux, but we need external Wi-Fi adapter for it. And more knowledge about it. Can we hack website from Termux? Yes, we can hack website using Termux, which has vulnerability in it. Can we hack Android device from Termux? Yes, we can hack any Android device, PC or Mac using Termux. Can we hack Facebook ID from Termux? Yes, we can hack Facebook account if you install darkfb tool in your Termux. Which devices are required to run Termux app? We can run it in any devices with 1 GB RAM, 3 GB of storage, good internet connection. Version of devices required should be more than 4.0. Can we improve our hacking skill from Termux? Sure, you can become master of penetration testing and hacking. How much time spent to learn Termux? It depends upon your interest. Is your channel expert anonymous teach everything about Termux? Yes, we are here to make you best hacker. Our channel will provide you all hacking tips and tools. So, subscribe us and get free benefits from us.